Hi, my name is Norshafikah Binti Sulaiman with number Matric 22122068. I will present about my industrial training at Destini Oil Services in Berhad, Labuan. Firstly, I will explain about company background. Destini Oil Services in Berhad, based in Labuan, specialized in provision of tubular handling equipment and inspection, fitting hammer equipment, and running service as well as repair and maintenance related to oil and gas industry. They received certificate of approval from Lloyd Register Quality Assurance for standard, which is applied to their service in providing tubular equipment and conductor installation for the oil and gas industry. During the internship training, I was placed at Operation Department under Executive Operation, which is my supervisor, Nurjana Muhammad Ali. The job scope are petty cash investment, invoicing, and inventory management. Then Destini Oil Services in Berhad are using the Oracle Nexus system that covering project accounting and tracking, advanced inventory, financial planning, and others. However, the system only allow one person to log in at one time. Due to that, all departments must communicate with each other whenever they want to log in into the system. This is because the system will automatically log out when another person log in at the same times. The job that left behind will not able to save. Next, I will explain in detail on preparing complete petty cash reimbursement document. Firstly, I must receive and collect a cash transaction with the complete remarks and then proceed to petty cash advance request form. So the petty cash advance request form will look like this. The new cash transaction will be recorded in the Oracle Nexus system. That it will be a complete petty cash investment document, which is include cash payment voucher, petty cash request advance form, and also the receipt. Continue with inventory management. Firstly, I will receive a form. It's called a spare and consumable request for issuance form. It's look like this. Once the previous form are completely and accurately filled, it will proceed to record into the system. And the complete one is MIV form and also the listed in the inventory. Lastly, the project given during my internship here was preparing the complete invoice work order for client. So the first thing I will prepare is performa invoice. This is the draft of invoice in the simple word. I received a training and guide from my supervisor on preparing this document. It needed information such as the item, description, quantity, amount of day of rental, the rate, and also the amount. And then I will receive delivery order and also quotation rental from logistic department, which was handling is Binti. Next steps is we are going to wait for client send the RTC and also purchase order. RTC stand for PO Received Traveler. Once the documents are complete, we are going to send via email to our client. And last but not least, the challenges that I face during the industrial training at Destini Oil Services in Berhad, communication and also report writing. This is because I'm not familiar and this is my first time involved in oil and gas industry. I'm not familiar with the equipment, and also this is my first time handling petty cash reimbursement, preparing complete invoice, and managing inventory. However, I able to overcome and solve that problem. I'm having bonding time with my colleagues. On this very last slide, I will present to you my daily days at Destini Oil Services in Berhad and the memories that created during my industrial training.